Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I thought I would show you what I feel is the best way to spot punch and to drill a hole without your drill wandering all over your part. Let's get into that. Let's say this piece of aluminum is your part. The best way to do it is to lay it out. There's a few different ways you can lay this thing out. You could use a height gauge. You could also use a square, or you can just use a ruler, a scale. I thought I would use my square. I'm just going to smear this thing all over. I set that for 1 inch. I'll go 1 inch from each side. What we need to do is just put this punch right on the center of those scribe marks and just punch it. Now this is where people start having problems. We're going to drill a 1/4 inch hole. The first thing you need to do is measure the web of the drill. That's 60 thousandths. I chose a drill bit that is 93 thousandths. I'm over at my drill press and I have my 93 thousandths drill in here. You saw how nice this small drill picked up that little spot punch. Now, I put the 1/4 inch drill in there, and I'm just going to line this up because the web of the drill will fit right into that hole. Let's just drill this thing. All right. That's how I spot punch and drill. Till next time, enjoy.